Hey developers, Tailwind CSS version 4.0 is here and I'm excited to show you how to set it up. The version comes with tons of updates and improvements, making it easier to use. So let's jump right into it. So first off, you need to visit the official Tailwind CSS website. I'm on the website right now. So this is the official website right here. This website is looking good. Then we'll click on the documentation link. So click on the documentation. Now we're getting started with the installation. Previously, in the previous version, the Vite tab used to be in the framework. So now Vite has its own tab now. So we're going to be installing Tailwind CSS as a Vite plugin. So and this method is going to be very seamless. Now Vite has its own tab, and we're going to follow this installation process. So to use Tailwind with Vite, you need to have you need to have Node.js. So if you have not installed Node.js, you need to install it for free. Visit the official website and install Node.js for free. I have mine installed, so I'm just going to open my code editor and we're going to run it. So to make things easier, I would create the project folder directly in my desktop. So I'm going to navigate to the terminal. Then I'll open a new terminal. Then in the terminal, I'm going to change directory to my desktop. So I'll use this command cd desktop. CD is for change directory. Press enter. Then I'm going to create the project folder. But before that, I have a folder where I create all my YouTube projects. So I'm going to change directory to that folder as well. So here, CD, the name of the folder is YouTube projects. And then I'm going to create the project folder for this actual code that I want to create now. So I'm going to run this command, npm create vite at latest Tailwind updates. Let me just use Tailwind up space hyphen space hyphen templates react, and then I'm going to press enter. So the name of the project folder is Tailwind up. Okay. Now you're going to see this once you click enter and you're connected to the internet. So you're going to change directory to the project folder. So change directory to Tailwind updates. Click on enter. Now you're going to run this command npm install to install all React dependencies and packages. So we have successfully installed the React packages and dependencies. So I'm going to enter this command code space full stop. Okay, this is to open the project folder in VS Code. Click enter. Okay, so now we've opened this in VS Code. I'm going to expand this. Okay, so this is what we have. We have our source folder, we have everything here. So first off, I'm going to navigate to the terminal, click on new terminal. So right here on the terminal, I'm going to run this command, npm run dev. And then I'll click enter. So now we have the link to view our project in our local browser. Click on the follow link. Okay. So here we have our React and this is working. Now we need to install Tailwind CSS. So let's go through the installation code. First off, you're going to start, you open your terminal, right? You're going to copy this code. So I'm just going to open a new terminal. And then I'm going to paste the code I copied. So the Tailwind package has been installed successfully. Next step, and so the next step is in our vite.config.ts. We're just going to copy this line of code here. And then right here, you're going to open your vite.config.js. And then you're going to paste what you just copied now. Head back here. Copy this code as well. And then right here, you're going to paste it right here. Remove the comma. You're going to cut this, paste it right here. Okay, so I'm going to add a comma here after this React plugin. Then we have our Tailwind CSS plugin. So this is done. And the next step in our global CSS, we're going to copy this as well. And then we're going to open our index.css. So we're just going to paste it right here. Okay. And then we're going to run dev, but we've done that already. That's why we have this open. That's why we have this here, right? So next thing is to style. Okay, so then we're just going to style directly here. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to change this text to subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's see. So yeah, it is subscribe to my channel. Now let's change the color of the text. Let's see if our tailwind is actually working. So we're going to style this h1 tag here. So I add a class name. Let's make the font bold and the text color red. Let's see what we have. Okay, so this is working. So our setup is actually correct and this is working. This is very easy to install. This new update makes things very, very easy. So try yours and see if it's working. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel.